All right, we have another member of the, member of parliament and Minister of Malta for Health and Active Aging, and also a pancreatic surgeon, as I've learned. Please.
If I may, I'll start my comments as a doctor first.
Please.
So as a doctor, I think, our research efforts, we need to make sure that we're speaking the same language. There are several types of pancreatic tumors. So, for example, we said that younger people can be affected by pancreatic tumors. Here, what comes to mind are the pseudopapillary tumors, which are fairly uncommon, but they're fairly indolent. But if they grow big enough, then they will cause problems. These are entirely different to ductal carcinoma, of course. And one should consider the neuroendocrine tumors. And at least in my country, we're seeing a profusion of those, whether it's because we're doing CT scans and MRIs to every other person that presents to us. And I'm not saying that bad, it's good. But we're getting a lot of pancreatic tumors that are incidentalomas, really. So, when we are talking about research, but even clinical treatment, we need to make sure we're talking about, the type of tumor that we want to talk about, as it were. And that brings me to early detection, of course. So early detection, I mentioned MRI before. Population screening with MRI, as we mentioned before, doesn't help. But if we had to concentrate our efforts and our money into special populations, then I am almost sure that will make a difference. And again, here I'm mostly talking about IPMNs and the small neuroendocrine tumors.